going. Copy paper, pumpkin, boy, pepper. Betty Papa. Sleepy. Mama.
Maybe using head, shoulder, knees, and toes with Pinky. Yeah. Using head, shoulders, knees, and toes with Pinky. Come on. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Using head, shoulders, knees, and toes with Pinky. Wait. You say,
Okay, we go.
hi guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you?
Derp, 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 derp.
How are you?
Hey, hey,
You show them Pinky. You show them where is Pinky.
hello, guys.
Hello guys. You show them Pinky.
Come
Come on.
on.
You show them Pinky.
Hey, Pinky.
Where's Pinky? You show.
Pinky, believe.
Yeah, you show them Pinky.
La, 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 la. La, la, la,
Where's
la.
Pinky? Can you show them Pinky? Hello, Pinky.
Hello, Pinky.
Mm.
Hello, Pinky.
Why you're so cute?
Pinky, Pinky, Pinky.
Pinky,
Pinky, Pinky,
Pinky.
Pinky. Pinky, Pinky, Pinky. Pinky, Pinky, Pinky.
Do you love Pinky?
Pinky, Pinky, Pinky.
Do you love Pinky?
Pinky, nah.
Pinky's Pinky. I love you.
I love you, mommy.
I love you, baby.
Love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
I love you.
I remember. Papa.
No, baby.
Papa.
Baby.
Papa. Papa.
Baby, what is your name?
Name.
My name
Name.
is...
Name.
Say it properly. My name is Makinli
Lee.
Sha
Jack.
Yuli. You say Makinli
Lee.
Sha
Jai.
Yuli.
Lee.
Again. What is your name? My name is... No! What is your name? Not the bear.
Bye.
No, I don't like to bite. I want you to say your name. You say your name, Nadri. My name. Faster. Tickle. I want to massage your head. Dali na. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Baby, I want you to say your name. Dali na, you say your name. I want you to say your name. My name
Name.
is...
Name.
Dali na, you say it properly. My name
Name. Name.
is
Is.
Makili. I'm gonna pinch your nose. Again. Again, dali. You look at them. You look at them. My name
Open. Down the boat.
Dali na, my name. You say your name. What is your name? What is your name, baby? My name. Dali na, you say it. My name.
Mommy,
Why, Why? What happened? Why? What happened? Oh no. Why? A picture. Dali na, you say your name na. My name. No, not Pinky's name. Your name. My name. Dali, you repeat mommy's. Dali, you repeat mommy say. My name. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. Silly. You show your happy face. Happy face. How? Angry. How about the sad face? No. Again. You show your happy face. Happy face. Happy. How about the sad face? Happy, sad. How about the surprise face? How about the excited face? Yay! Excited. No, excited muna. Excited. How about how about the angry face? How about the silly face? Are you happy?
I know.
What's that? Lion?
Dolly.
Dolly. What is the color of your sandal? Color? What is the color of your sandal, anak? What is it? Huh?
Purple.
Purple. Very good.
Purple.
Purple.
Itchy.
Itchy. Okay.
Okay.
What is the color of pink?
La,
What is the color of your bear?
la.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, turn up right. Teddy bear, touch the sky.
Touch ball.
Who touched the ball? Who touched the ball?
Baby table.
A baby people. How about, can you sing? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, hello.
Dolly. Mommy.
Yes.
Mama, phone.
Where did you get the phone?
Mama.
No. You say your name muna. Oh, no. They want to know your name. You say your name first. My name. You say bye-bye na if you don't want to say your name. Bye, guys. You say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Come on. Bye, everyone. You say your name if you don't want to say bye-bye. My name. Come on, my name. Kanina you say your name. My name. Can you show them your eyes? There's your eyes. How about your nose? Adali, you show them your head. Where is your head? No, your head. Your shoulders. Your knees. Your knees. How about your toes? Oh, very good. Your elbows. Elbows. This one. This one. No, this one. Elbows, this one. Yeah, that one. Very good. How about your neck? Your chest. Very good. Your chin. Your mouth. Your nose. How about your teeth? You show them your teeth. Where's your teeth? Okay. Your tongue. How about your lips? Can you pout? Pout. Pout your lips. Pout. Pout your lips. Pout. Okay. Where is your cheeks? Cheeks. Where's your cheeks? You show them your cheeks. Cheeks. Where's your cheeks? Eh? You show them your cheeks. Where's your cheeks? Very good. How about your ears? Ears. Where are your ears? Where are your ears? Ears. You show them your smile. You show them your sweet smile. What's that? Is it a heart? A heart? Wow. You show them your ears. Where's your ears? Ears? They can see, they can see, they can see, they can see, they can see. Ears. You show them your ears. Where's your ears? Oh, it's a heart. Thank you, love. I love you. Wow, heart. Show them your heart. Show, show, show. Wow, very good naman. Oppa. You say Oppa. You show them your, ano na, you show them your ears na. Ears. Very good. How about, itchy ears. How about your fingers? Your arms. Where's your arms? Your hands. Show them your hands. Show them your hands. Just like that. Okay. How about your tummy? Where is your tummy? Your legs. Where is your legs? Wow, very good. Where is your toenails? Where is your toenails?
Papa.
No, toenails. Where is your toenails? Toenails. This one.
Donuts.
Very good. How about your hair? Where is your hair? Where is your hair? Where is your back?
Angry.
Oh, you're angry. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Show them your angry face. No, show them, show them, show them, show them, show them. Show them your angry face. Why are you angry? Oh my. Oh my. Why are you angry? Oh no. She's angry. Why?
Oh.
Ay, ay. Angry. Okay, enough. Enough angry na. I want you to say, how old are you? Angry pa din? You're still angry? Why are you angry?
Where is it?
Why are you angry?
Stop. Where is it?
Yeah. Stop being angry. Mom.
Keep.
Open.
Open.
Close. Open. Close. Open. Ouch.
Open.
Yeah, can you do that also? Close and open eyes. Can you show mommy how? No, can you show mommy how to close your eyes? Daddy, show mommy how to close.